Viewers and subscribers of BVR Channel 1 Plus, welcome back to our channel. With you today is Amaka. Please watch this video. Here. You want
Take the baby bag. Mercy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mercy. Explain this to my job. Explain to my job. Oh God.
You should watch with me. 12 years old boy. See the kind damage he did in his house, all because they confiscated his phone. They seized his phone. Hey, parenting is not easy. Parenting is not easy. Parenting is not easy. Because what gave this little child nerves to do such a thing in the house? Like, because they seized your phone, now you are angry and you are boiling, you want to scatter everything. Oh, all I have to say in this video is that we should learn, how to relate with our kids. And sometimes, I don't know, it will just enter their head, they will start misbehaving. Even when you try to, caution them in the right way, tell them what to do, before you know it, they will switch. They normally switch their anger and all of that. I don't know what's wrong with children these days, honestly. A lot is happening, honestly. I don't know, but this child, I think he needs to, because they don't arrest kids. I think they should bring out a proper punishment for children that misbehaves. They will take you there, they will deal with you, then you come back. Next time you will not do this kind of a thing. How can you be so disrespectful? Your mother seized your phone and you are flaming up. They just seized it. Or you even have luck, you are able to even have a phone at that age, 12 years. And even parents, why are you giving this small child of 12 years phone? It's the hand that they are using to train them, honestly. Because at 12, I don't think he should be invested in having phones and all of that. Maybe a system for work, for research and all of that. So honestly, I don't know. But this is a very bad habit, a very bad act. If he start acting like this, maybe tomorrow, if he grows to to be a married man, small thing, he'll just turn the house upside down. Like, this is not good. All these things start little by little. So I think giving a child phone at this age is not good. It's not good at all. It's not good, honestly. So I feel parents should re-strategize the way you train your children. You're giving a child phone at 12. Like, why won't he do such a thing? He should be invested in maybe doing a handwork, learning a handwork within the house if possible, or maybe having course that he studies with his laptop, go to school, come back, read his book, not to have fun. Even if he wants to play games, he can use maybe video games and all of that. You can install it in the house if you have that enough money to, you know, buy phone for this child. You know, this is very bad. Honestly, it's very, very bad, and this child should be punished, honestly, so that he will feel the pain of what he did, that he did a very wrong thing. Can't leave this child to go like that, please. Honestly, this is all I have for you guys today. You know, however you feel about the videos I've shared today, do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, do not forget to share the videos to your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe. So we'll come back again. Peace out.